Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is your first time here, you're welcome. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make Nigerian okra soup. This dish is actually one of my favorite soup to make because of so many reasons. One, the taste is super yummy and delicious. Two, this recipe is so easy that anyone can actually make it at home. And lastly, okra has so many health benefits. You can check that out for a fact. So if you're interested in seeing how I cook this dish, just keep watching. This recipe, I'll be using 2 red bell pepper, 4 Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 Tatashe pepper, 2 onions, okra, hake fish which I already washed and removed all the scales, dried fish, salt, Onga seasoning, Maggi, pepper soup spice, this is optional, palm oil, Cameroon pepper, lastly, smoked whole prawns. There are several ways you can chop your okra. I will be showing you 2 different methods in this video that I personally use to chop okra. The first method is to slice the okra with your knife. For this method, I first remove the head of the okra, then I part the okra into 4 different parts and then chop into smaller pieces. I actually find this method really time consuming and I prefer the second method I will be showing you. This is another way you can chop your okra. For this method, you will need a grater, and this grater actually comes with a bowl that fits with the grater. So everything you chop just goes right into the bowl, and I find this method super easy and stress-free. Now that I'm done chopping the okra, to make the okra come together and become more sticky, I wet the okra with water and I just use my hand to mix thoroughly together. Next, I'm soaking the dried fish in warm water to get it softened so I can debone. Now to a heated pot, I'm adding some palm oil and I'm allowing it to get heated and bleached for about 2 to 3 minutes. Afterwards, I'm adding some chopped onions and allowing it to get sauteed for about 45 seconds. Next, I'm adding the blended pepper mix into the pot. This mixture consists of Tatashe pepper, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper. I'm mixing properly and I'm going to leave it to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. After allowing the pepper mix to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, next I'm adding in most of the ingredients I showed you earlier. At this stage, you can add your choice of protein. I'm adding in the fish I showed you earlier. I already washed and removed all the scales. For seasoning, I'm adding 2 cubes of Maggi, Onga seasoning, salt to taste. Always remember to be mindful when adding salt to soup. It's better to not add enough than to add too much because it changes the taste of the soup and you won't like it at all. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of Cameroon pepper for some extra heat, 1 tablespoon of pepper soup spice. Lastly, I'm adding some dried fish and smoked prawns. Next, I'm mixing properly to combine, adding in more water so that the raw fish can cook properly, and I'm just going to leave it to simmer till the fish get cooked. Next, I'm adding in some cooked turkey and locust beans, and I'm just going to cover it up and allow it to keep cooking. I've been cooking now on a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I can see the fish is properly done. I'm just going to remove it to avoid it from getting broken. I'm adding in a little bit of water to the soup just because I feel it's too thick at this point, and I'm just going to leave it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the soup is ready, I'm going to be adding the okra, and I'm going to return the fish back into the soup, and I'm just going to leave everything to cook together on a medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okra doesn't take that long to cook, so make sure you don't overcook the okra when you add it in. Here you have it, guys. The soup is all ready, and I can assure you the taste is super yummy and very tasty. I'm going to be having mine with some fufu. You can serve okra with pounded yam, with eba, with amala, with fufu, or you can just have it alone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you have any. See you guys in my next video.